In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix D3d12.dll missing in Windows 11. So let's get started. First is we have to check our system type. So go to the Windows search bar and search for System Info. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type and then open a browser and search for the missing DLL. Just put download and hit enter. Click on the first option, scroll down and simply click the download button corresponding to your system type. Now this is downloading. So click on the folder icon and then right click and then select extract all and click on extract. Copy the DLL file, right click, select copy. Then go to this PC on the left pane, double click on the Windows C drive. Scroll down to the Windows folder, double click. Scroll down to the System32 folder. Here, once you find the System32, just simply, or if you are 64-bit Windows, go to System32. But if you are 32-bit, go to SYS Wow 64. And then right-click and then select Paste and click on Replace the file in destination. Now, once done, right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Next method, open a browser again and search for Visual C++ Redistributable and hit Enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and simply click the download link corresponding to your system type and simply install the Visual C++ on your Windows 11. So that's it. Just simply click on I agree to the license terms and conditions and click on install. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.